first exercise, and how to draw a 60-degree. That was the last question in the exercise. First exercise, remember, we drew an equilateral triangle, right? So from after these points, we will have the second exercise things that we need to understand.
Point of a given ray. A triangle given its base, a base angle and sum of other two sides. A triangle given its base, a base angle and differences of other two sides. And a triangle given its perimeter and its two base angles. An
So the last three lines that were there, triangle ones, that you have to do in your second exercise. So उस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देंगे, जो starting वाला उसको हम review कर ले रहे हैं, जो ये बता रही है, that we can do.
angle ABC, and we need to construct its bisector. Taking B as center and any radius, we will draw an arc to intersect rays BA and BC at E and D. Next, taking D and E as centers with radius more than half DE, we will draw arcs to intersect each other at F. Now we draw the ray BF. This ray BF is the required bisector of angle ABC. Let us prove this. Construction of a ray that bisects angle ABC. An angle bisector is a line that cuts an angle into two equal halves. Here, in triangle BEF and triangle BDF, we have BE is equal to BD because they are equal radii of the same arc. EF is equal to DF because they are arcs of equal radii. BF is equal to BF as it is common to both triangles. Thus, triangle BF is congruent to triangle BDF by SSS congruence rule. So, angle EBF is equal to angle DBF.
किस किस को proof सामने आया कि why it is called an angle bisector? Yes. सबको सामने आया why it is called an angle bisector? She just proved it in a very nice manner actually. सबको clear है, yes or no?
Yes, we are.
What about others? Are you moving along with me? Yes, Sambhavi, Kamna, Shant, Tushti. Is this proof clear to you? Okay. I need yes from everyone, then I will move ahead. Otherwise, I will stop here. Okay. Okay, good. Use your microphone. Don't be so shy, okay?
Monster Math presents Addition Below 10. Okay, class.
Line PQ, and we need to construct its perpendicular bisector. Taking A and B as centers and radius more than half AB, we will draw arcs on both sides of the line segment AB. Let these arcs intersect each other at P and Q. Join PQ. Let PQ intersect AB at point M. Then line PMQ is the required perpendicular bisector of AB. A perpendicular bisector is a line that is perpendicular to the line segment and cuts the line segment into two equal halves. In triangle PAQ and triangle PBQ, we have AP.
Okay. Before moving ahead, proof with this one, I need you to write the proof of the previous one in your notebooks, okay? क्योंकि एग्जाम में proofs आ जाता है बच्चे. जो हमने angle bisector prove किया है, You have to write this down, this proof in your notebook, exact way she is telling us, because that is given in your NCERT as well. So write this down in your notebook, how to prove that a particular angle is the angle bisector, a particular ray is the angle bisector. And when you're done writing, let me know. Okay. So write it down quickly. Or you can take a screenshot if you want. Later on, you can write, do whatever you want to do, but just let me know what you're doing. Everyone done writing it? Use your chat option if you cannot speak.
वे बस 1 मिनट.
Yes, Sambhavi, bolo bache. You raised your hand.
हो
हो
गया
गया.
भैया, हो गया।
What about others? सबका हो गया? Should I move on?
Yes, भैया.
अब हम परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर का प्रूफ है वो भी समझेंगे कि वो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर क्यों होता है, राइट?
P
आ सकता है
and
एग्जाम
Q.
में.
Join PQ. Let PQ intersect AB at point M. Then line PMQ is the required perpendicular bisector of AB. A perpendicular bisector is a line that is perpendicular to the line segment and cuts the line segment into two equal halves. In triangle PAQ and triangle PBQ,
पहले समझ लो
we
फिर लिखने का
have
टाइम दूंगा मैं.
AP is equal to BP because they are arcs of equal radii. AQ is equal to BQ because they are arcs of equal radii. PQ equals to PQ as it is a common side. So, by SSS congruence rule, triangle PAQ is congruent to triangle PBQ. Thus, angle APM is equal to angle BPM. Now, in triangle PMA and triangle PMB, we have AP is equal to BP because again they are arcs of equal radii. Angle APM is equal to angle BPM as we have already proved. PM equals to PM as it is a common side. So, triangle PMA is congruent to triangle PMP by SAS congruence rule. Thus, AM is equal to BM and angle PMA is equal to angle PMB.
Yes, इतना सबने सबको आया पहले? Yes. कोई डाउट है तो पूछो. I will explain it otherwise. सबको क्लियर हुआ कैसे करा है? पहले इन्होंने क्या किया है? What they have done?
Yes, भैया.
पहले इन दोनों ट्राइंगल को कॉन्ग्रुएंट किया. जब ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट उनके सीपीसीटी से ये दोनों बराबर कर दिए बिकॉज वी नीड टू प्रूव दीज टू आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट इन ऑर्डर टू गेट दीज टू इक्वल. So then this is equal, this is common, this is already proved. So SAS say these two triangles are congruent. Then by CPCT you can say this is equal to this and this angle is equal to this angle, not 90 degree for now. 90 degree अभी और proof होगा. ठीक है, पहले हमें equal show करना है. If you remember मैंने ट्रिक बताई थी कि अगर मुझे 90 डिग्री दो एंगल शो करने हैं तो पहले मैं इन दोनों को इक्वल शो करता हूँ. इक्वल शो करने से क्या होता है, जब दोनों का सम 180 होता है लीनियर पेयर से, तो 2x होके वो 180 होके वो x 90 डिग्री हो जाता है, राइट? दैट वाज द ट्रिक इफ यू रिमेंबर लाइंस एंड एंगल्स. सो यहां तक सबको क्लियर है? पहले
Yes,
Right.
we are.
Okay, so let's move ahead.
Since
Okay, पहले समझ लो.
AB is a line segment, thus angle AMB is equal to 180 degree. Hence, sum of angle PMA and angle PMB is equal to 180 degree. Hence, both angle PMSA and angle PMB is equal to 90 degree. So, PM or PMQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB.
Yes, so you have to write this down now. The proof for perpendicular bisector. Quickly write it down or take a screenshot, whatever you want. Then let me know. You are getting a consent form. That means you oblige that I accept whatever consequences there will be if I come back to my school. So be very careful about it. अपने parents से पूछो if they accept it. तुम join करना चाह रहे school फिर से physically. That what is meant by consent form. School won't be responsible later on.
We are done.
बाकी सबका
यस भैया
ठीक है. तो हम मूविंग ahead बच्चे.
Sir, done.
ओके आगे वाला पार्ट लिखो इसका जो है.
E is equal to A and angle PMB is equal to 180 degree. Hence, both angle PM
वे हो गया.
ठीक है. तो perpendicular bisector done, angle bisector done. Let's move
or
ahead.
PMQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB.
Now that's 60
AAB
degree.
with A as center. Here, we need to construct a ray AC such that angle CAB is equal to 60 degree. Taking A as center and some radius, we will draw an arc of a circle which intersects AB at D. Taking D as center with same radius, we will draw an arc intersecting previous arc at E. Draw a ray AC passing through E. Thus, angle CAB is equal to 60 degree. Now, we will prove this. Construct an angle of 60 degree at the initial point of a given ray. Let us join DE. Then,
ये
AE
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बच्चे एग्जाम में बहुत आता है ध्यान से समझना.
is equal to DE is equal to AD because of the virtue of construction. Thus, triangle EAD becomes an equilateral triangle, and an equilateral triangle has all its angles equal to 60 degree. Thus, triangle EAD becomes an equilateral triangle, and an equilateral triangle has all its angles equal to 60 degree. Thus, angle CAB is equal to 60 degree.
Yes, सबको क्लियर हुआ? बहुत ही इजी है. किसी का डाउट?
No, भैया.
पक्का? तो राइट इट डाउन देन बच्चे. अब हमारे पास सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज का कंटेंट स्टार्ट होगा, तो उस पर ज्यादा ध्यान देना है. ये तो हमने कर रखा था. लेट मी नो व्हेन यू आर डन. Make beautiful notes of this chapter, which this will help you out.
We are done.
सबका हो गया? चलें फिर सेकंड एक्सरसाइज की तरफ. अब हमारी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज प्रॉपर्ली अच्छे से खत्म हो गई है. चलो देखो.
PQR is
सबसे पहला
equal
सिनेरियो
to construct a triangle.
To construct a triangle, given its base, a base angle, and what? And you may be given the sum of other two sides. So कुछ इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन होगा, जैसे इन्होंने ले रखा है कि एक साइड दे रखी होगी बेस, एक बेस एंगल दे रखा होगा, सम ऑफ द टू साइड्स. ठीक है, तो हमें कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करना बहुत ध्यान से देखना है, क्योंकि हम एक और डिस्कस करेंगे फिर इसके बाद, जिसमें तुम लोग बताओगे मुझे. सो ऑब्जर्व वेरी केयरफुली बच्चे. चलो.
Angle PQR such that QR is equal to 5 centimeter, angle PQR is equal to 60 degree, and PQ plus PR equals 8 centimeter. Step 1 is to draw the base QR equal to 5 centimeter. Step 2 is to draw angle XQR equal to 60 degree.
Okay, what is going
QR
on?
equal to
She's moving ahead with the words and doing the step backwards. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, I'm going to mute her, though she sounds good. So okay, so what's the first step? You draw the base. You draw the base QR. You draw this base QR. That's the first step she did. Then at this angle Q, because that's the center angle, right? At this angle Q, you draw 60 degree. You already know how to draw 60. You take an arc and then cut, right? So dot at. So now, or you can use a D as well if you want, but I will suggest instead of using D, use the compass. The teacher will be happy. Okay. Now what you do, look at the sum. The sum of these two is 8. So you open the compass up to 8 centimeter and make an arc over this line. Okay, the 60 degree line. So we are making an arc over this 8 centimeter. Now we will, in the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to join these two. Join these two. Now we are going to draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay. Now we are going to draw a perpendicular bisector of what? Perpendicular bisector of RS. What is my RS? This guy right over here. So we're drawing a perpendicular bisector of RS and we join it up. So what will happen? When you draw a perpendicular bisector and you extend it like this, you will get a point over here. So this triangle right over here is the required triangle for the given values. And that is our construction with the steps. Yes, किस किस को समझ आया, किस किस को नहीं. जिसको नहीं आया उसको मैं एक और एग्जांपल समझाऊंगा.
बे मेरे को नहीं आया.
हाँ तो देखो, we are going back to my whiteboard and हम वहां पे समझेंगे इसको. ठीक है. So let me see if I have that software. यस सो पहले रफली मैं समझाऊंगा तुम बच्चों को। इधर पहला क्वेश्चन ये है, जैसे तुम देख रहे हो। तो पहले क्या करना है, हमें कैसे दे रखा होगा, एक बेस साइड दे रखी होगी, बेस एंगल दे रखा हो, सम ऑफ टू साइड्स दे रखा होगा। सबसे पहले क्या करना है, अभी मैं रफली बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद हम सॉफ्टवेयर पे करेंगे, यू विल डू अलोंग साइड विद मी। यस सो पहले रफली बीसी 7 सेंटीमीटर बनाना है, बीसी बनाया 7 सेंटीमीटर। ओके उसके बाद एंगल बी पे 75 डिग्री, दैट वी नो, यू कैन यूज डी और यू कैन यूज द कंपास, आई प्रेफर द कंपास। दे 60 देन 120 देन 90, इन दोनों के बीच में क्या होगा, यहाँ से और यहाँ से अगर लेंगे तो 75, राइट। सो ये जो मेरा आएगा, ये मेरा क्या आएगा बच्चों, ये मेरा 75 डिग्री आ गएंगे। ओके हाँ 75 डिग्री आ गया एंगल बी पे। नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज ए बी प्लस ए सी इज 13। सो व्हाट यू डू, जो इन दोनों का जो सम दे रखा है 13, उसको इस पे आर्क लगाओ, मतलब कि स्केल पे कंपास लो, 13 सेंटीमीटर तक नापो और उतना फिर उठा के आर्क लगा दो यहाँ पे। ठीक है सो ये आर्क लगा, इसको मान लो हमने डी नाम दे दिया। ठीक है उसके बाद इसको और डीसी को ज्वाइन कर दो इस तरीके से, ज्वाइन इट अप। लेट मी यूज अ स्केल, दो आई एम गिविंग रफ स्केच फॉर नाउ। ये ट्राइंगल नहीं बनाया अभी, हम बनाएंगे। सो हमने ज्वाइन कर दिया। अभी जो सीडी मिला है तुम्हें, इसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाओ। नाउ यू ऑलरेडी नो हाउ टू ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ लाइन। मोर देन हाफ खोलेंगे, कट कट, मोर देन हाफ इधर से कट, सेम रखते हुए जब मैं इसको ज्वाइन करूंगा ऐसे, तो जहां पे ये वाला परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर इस साइड को कट कर रहा है, वो मेरा तीसरा पॉइंट होगा ट्राइंगल का। ना इसको ज्वाइन कर दो, तो ये जो मिला है ट्राइंगल, ये तुम्हारा ट्राइंगल ए बी सी मिला है। यस अब थोड़ा बहुत सामने आया, डोंट वरी, अभी हम प्रैक्टिकली भी करेंगे। पहले थोड़ा बहुत आया, यस और नो सबको?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है
Yes, sir.
नाउ पिक अप योर कंपासेस, आई एम गिविंग यू 2 मिनट्स। सब औजार औजार इकट्ठा कर लो, स्विच ऑन योर वीडियोस, हम साथ में
Yes,
करने वाले हैं।
भैया.
जल्दी से मैं यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन इतने टाइप कर देता हूँ, इतने तुम लोग सामान इकट्ठा करो। सो क्या क्या दे रखा था हमें, why it is not typing? Yes. It was BC was 7, so BC was 7 centimeter. Angle B was 75 degrees, and AB plus something was there. AB plus AC was how much? 13 centimeter. सबने ले लिया औजार भाई, करें साथ में मेरे? यस
भैया
रेडी?
एक सेकेंड.
ले लो औजार सब, फिर बाद में तुम्हें अपना काम दिखाना है मेरे को। मेरे इधर लाइट प्रॉब्लम है, सो आई कैन नॉट स्विच ऑन द वीडियो टुडे।
हो गया भैया.
ठीक है so do along with me, I will check your work then. Okay I will go slow for you. So first of all, the very first step should be to use a scale. उससे हम बेस बनाते हैं 7 सेंटीमीटर। so यहाँ पे हमने स्केल लिया। okay I need to like go down or something, it's small. let's see how it works. so 7 सेंटीमीटर नीचे वाला है, ये ऊपर बचे इंचेस है। so 7 सेंटीमीटर यहाँ तक, so I will start from here up till 7 centimeter, right? So this is BC. So I just did BC. So ये जो है ये मेरा क्या बन गया, ये मेरा बन गया BC, which is 7 centimeter. Now angle B पे हमें क्या बनाना है, 75 degrees. Now you already know how to do it. Either you can use a D or you can use a compass, whatever you like to do. Ask your teacher what she or he wants. So if we draw a 75 degree angle, so 75 degree will be right over here, right? So now what you can do, you can join it up with a scale. So let me take it away. Let me delete that. Let me bring on my magic scale. It's right over here. Let me rotate it. Blah, blah, blah. And थोड़ा सा और घूम जाइए बाबू. So ये घूम गए. और अब लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा सेंस बन रहा है इसमें. Oh, so difficult to control this. Okay, now let me join. Okay, so that's the scale I used. Now we need 13 centimeter of it, so I need to like draw it a little bigger. Let me see if we can go up. Can we go up? No, we cannot, I guess. There should be a scroll option over here. I need more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to a new page. My bad. I have to start from the below because of lack of space in my whiteboard. So here we go. I'm going to start over here. They should give us more space, isn't it? So it's 7 over here. So BC is 7. So BC is 7 centimeter. Now angle B is how much? 75 degree, if I remember. Keep the middle part over here. And that's the 75 degree. Now let's remove that guy. This goes away. Now, how about I use that only as a scale, right? Like we do. You're proud it needs to do that. Oh, oh. Can we? I don't think so. We can. It's not practical here, I guess. You can only use a scale. Really. I know तुम लोग मेरे से आगे बढ़ चुके होगे. Well, please mind my software use. I'm not used to it अभी तक. Still getting used to it. Okay. So ये मेरा हो गया. अब तुम्हें क्या करना है बच्चों? You have to open your compass up to what? Up to 13 centimeter. Guess what? इनका scale है ही नहीं 13 तक. है. अरे क्या बात है. Wow, beautiful. So हम लोग इसको 13 centimeter तक open करेंगे. So, oh, this is going to be some work for me. 13 centimeter. So यहाँ पे रखा. Oh, amazing. Can it open? I guess so. Okay. अब नहीं होगा इसकी औकात जो है यहीं तक है मुझे लग रहा है. तो भाई सब बैठ गए. अब नहीं घूमूंगा और. But let me give you a rough sketch then. ये मेरे को practically करके दिखाना पड़ेगा बच्चों और कोई option नहीं. तुम क्या करोगे? कंपास से यहाँ पे कट लगाओगे, ठीक है? And then you will join this with this, right? फिर इसका perpendicular bisector बनाएंगे. यहाँ से एक कट, ये कट, यहाँ से ये कट, ये कट. Then we'll join these two, and we'll get a point over here. ये जो point मिलेगा यही A point होगा और this will be a triangle ABC. This will be a triangle ABC. Yes, Samya, I know it's difficult to understand from the software because it's not that handy to me. Yes, सबको clear हुआ क्या ये? Can you show me your work if you have done it, or do you need me to do it? Yes, बच्चों, clear हुआ? Tell me yes or no.
we are.
ठीक है. So what you are going to do? तुम लोग ये वाला क्वेश्चन करोगे होमवर्क में, ठीक है? उसके बाद let's move here. First of all, इसके जो steps हैं वो write down करो. अब इसको फिर से देखो, अब शायद सामने आ जाएगा, right? You can watch it through the link I have given you. लेकिन अभी इस क्वेश्चन को नोट डाउन करो क्योंकि इसी तरीके से स्टेप्स तुम्हें लिखने हैं जो मैंने होमवर्क दिया उसके लिए। तो इसको नोट डाउन करो अच्छे से, डायग्राम भी बना लो ऐसे रफ स्केच अभी फॉर नाउ। डू इट क्विकली। बच्चे तुम्हारी आवाज नहीं आ रही, यूज योर चैट फीचर, यू आर साउंडिंग लाइक अ रोबोट। इसे लिख लो बच्चे। कोई नहीं, I will upload this in your group, taking a screenshot because time is less, session is going to end. So what you're going to do, homework is question number 1 and another homework that I will write down in the group. Okay, so come back to the group.